The FIA organized the FIA Safety Week, which is a set of seminars on different topics related to safety. And anybody can register. Just go on the FIA website and click on the registration link. Fill up the form and you will get access to all the recordings of the seminars that happen during the week. The two-part seminar at FIA Safety Week also talked about the racing seats. And interestingly, they are phasing out the 8855 1999 standard.
The standard goes from 8855 to 8862, and different performances and different requirements are included in different standards. The technical list of reference are the 12, the 40, and the 91. And the 8855 1999, that is a seat that is the old standard that will progressively disappear, but is still valid.
And so they talked about the new standard, especially the 2021 standard, and how racing nets can now be secured to those seats. Here is a bit about the racing nets.
We have also two videos to show you the effect of lateral crash with and without the racing net. And I will speak while we have the video. So this is slow-mo, and as you can see on the left, without the racing net, there's a huge movement of the head and neck of the driver, and even the seat got broken. And on the other one, there's a much more controllable environment of the crash. So the head and the neck, they didn't have a huge movement.
In fact, the seat guarantees an amazing support of the body of the driver during an incident event, but the driver must be correctly fitted in the seat. For what concerns the image on the left, as you can see, the eye of the driver must be more or less aligned with the head support as the shoulder and the pelvis.
Then they talked about the seat brackets and how the new seats are homologated with the brackets, and you won't be able to use just any bracket anymore. Another thing is that you won't be able to drill holes in those brackets to put new seating positions, and there are actually minimum surfaces of overlap and distances where the seat can be mounted within the bracket.
Going now to the seat brackets, is it important to remind that for the old standard, 8855 1999, the seat brackets were homologated with the seat, but was not mandatory to keep the same seat brackets for, let's say, all the model of seat. Therefore, all the seat brackets homologated can be used with all the seats homologated. This is not possible anymore because the performances of the seat and the performances of the seat bracket are strictly related. Therefore, for the new standard, 8855 2021, a seat can be homologated with several seat brackets, but those are the only seat brackets that can be used during a competition.
As you can see here on the slide, so there are a contact area and the minimum radius that there is a specifically written on that anchorage details, and you should check for the installation as the brackets are tested according to those dimensions given by the manufacturer. So you should always check if it is on the correct position.
They also had an interesting discussion on rally door foam and how only specific seats would work properly with the foam.
This can only be used with the rally brackets. So in cases where the cars, for example, in hill climbs, where we have both cars from both environments, let's say the circuit and also the rally entering, if the car has a circuit as a circuit seat with circuit brackets, the rally door foam will not work as properly.
Once again, I encourage you to register on the FIA website to get access to the content. The videos have been recording on Vimeo. I will put a direct link to the video in the description of this video. And I will provide some more content in the coming weeks about the other seminars. So feel free to like and subscribe so I can produce more content like this.